What's up guys, we tested portable SSD from Orico last week on our channel Tech Brothers and it was really good. Now we have another portable SSD that is much more compact and it has twice the read speed, up to 2000 megabits per second. We will be sure to check it out in this video. This portable SSD from GiGimundo has a model name of G20. You can use it with Windows, Linux, Mac and Android devices. However, I don't see support for iOS. It probably cannot be used with iPhones, but we will check that as well. Let's start the review of the GiGimundo G Slim portable SSD with unboxing it. So there's a picture of the portable SSD on the box. You know, it is almost the same size in real life. Very compact. The main features are high-speed transfer, compact and elegant, rugged and durable. There is also a sticker with 20 gigabits per second and 2000 megabits per second read speed on the box. We will test the read and the write speed a little later. By the way, I have a portable SSD in silver color, but it is also available in blue and purple. I forgot to say I have 1 TB of capacity, but you can also choose 512 gigs and 2 TB. Let's already open the box. Here is a user manual, Lanyard, and a data cable with USB Type-C connector on one side and USB Type-A or USB Type-C on the other. And finally, there is a portable SSD in the box. So the GiGimundo G20 is a very compact and lightweight SSD. Its dimensions are 75 by 42 by 8 mm. The weight is 54 grams. You can attach with a lanyard that comes with it and wear the portable SSD on your arm or strap it to your backpack. The body of this portable SSD is made of zinc alloy, but half of the front panel has a textured plastic panel. It looks and feels very nice. The backside is made of plastic. Unfortunately, there is no magnetic mount, so you cannot attach it to the back cover of your smartphone. It looks like the back cover of the portable SSD can be removed, but I am not sure I would be able to put it back together. So I will not do that. There is an LED indicator, USB Type-C port, and 20 gigabits per second logo on the bottom. Overall, I like the minimalistic and sleek design of this portable SSD. By the way, the manufacturer says that it is rugged, durable and shock-resistant. Yes, it looks reliable and solid, but I think it will leave scratches on it after drops or bumps. I would prefer not to check it. Okay, from design, let's move on to testing. So first, let's test the portable SSD with my Android phone, since it has USB Type-C port. The external device is detected under the name GiGiM USB drive. We can click it and go to the storage. We can see it has capacity of 1 TB. Now it is empty, but let's copy some file here. The file has been transferred. It is okay. Unfortunately, I cannot try the portable SSD with my iPhone 12 because I don't have a Lightning adapter. However, I found information on Amazon that it is suitable for iPhone 15 and above since they have USB-C port. That's very good. But if we want to check the transfer speed, we need to connect the SSD to the computer. You know, I was surprised to see that the portable SSD is called Orico on my PC. I already tested the portable SSD from Orico a couple weeks ago, but this one is called GiGimundo. I checked the back of the box and saw that it is made in the same factory in Shenzhen. So the Orico and GiGiMundo are the same manufacturer but different brands. On the computer we can also see the capacity of SSD is 1 TB. I can also run the CrystalDiskInfo program and show you some information about the GiGimundo G20. It has firmware, serial number, interface, standard, features, etc. But I think you are most interested in the speed of the portable SSD. The CrystalDiskMark program will help us with that. Just to remind you, the manufacturer promises 2000 megabits per second read speed. Okay, let's go. So we have reading speed of 1014 megabits per second and writing speed of 945 megabits per second. It is not exactly what the manufacturer claims, but I found an explanation on the official website. The thing is that my computer has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. In this picture we can see that the theoretical and actual speed for it is 10 gigabits per second. If you want 20 gigabits per second, you need to use the USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 port. Unfortunately, I don't have it. By the way, if you use USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, you will have 480 megabits per second and 5 gigabits per second respectively. Let's also check the actual file transfer speed. I will copy 10 gigabytes of video files to a portable SSD. So the transfer rate is about 650 megabits per second. By the way, the file transfer speed is stable. I'm glad it doesn't fall and grow all the time like some cheaper external storage. So while I got 1000 megabits per second write speed, not 2000 megabits per second as I expected, it is still a very good speed for a portable SSD. I like its design with a compact size, zinc alloy case and a lanyard. In addition, this portable SSD can be used with any device that has a USB-C port. By the way, if you have iPhone 15 or 16, then you can buy the GiGimundo AM20. It has the same design and features as GiGimundo G20, but also a magnetic ring, so you can attach it to the back of your phone. Thank you for watching this video. See you!